Mission Lane has no security deposit and gives some users access to credit line increases, while Indigo is usually easier to qualify for if your credit is in rough shape. That one difference changes who each card makes sense for. By the end of this, you'll know which card is cheaper, easier to manage, and better for rebuilding your credit in 2026. Quick answer first. Mission Lane is usually the better long-term card. Indigo is often the easier short-term approval play. Start with fees. Mission Lane and Indigo both target people with bad credit, but they price risk differently. Indigo often comes with an annual fee based on your approval offer. That means you need to check the exact terms before you accept. Mission Lane also may charge an annual fee depending on the offer, but many users see cleaner pricing and fewer surprise charges compared to subprime cards. That matters because if you start with a $300 credit limit and lose part of it to fees, your credit utilization starts high on day one. High utilization can make rebuilding slower. Now look at approvals. Indigo is built for deeper subprime borrowers. That means, if you've had charge-offs, collections, or recent missed payments, Indigo may approve you when stricter issuers won't. Mission Lane still works for lower scores, but it tends to look for slightly stronger credit behavior. So if approval is your main goal, Indigo may be easier. Now, the features. This is where Mission Lane usually pulls ahead. Mission Lane has a mobile app, account management tools, and in some cases offers automatic reviews for credit line increases after on-time payments. That gives you room to lower utilization over time without opening a second card. Indigo is more basic. No rewards. Fewer account tools. Less growth potential. It works, but it's mostly a starter card. Here's who should pick what. Go with Mission Lane if you want to rebuild and keep the card longer. It's usually the better fit if you care about improving your profile over the next 12 months. Go with Indigo if your credit is rough and your main goal is just getting approved and reporting payments. One important step. Before applying for either, compare them against a secured card. If you can put down $200 up front, secured cards often cost less and can graduate into better products. Quick recap. Mission Lane usually wins on features and long-term value. Indigo wins on easier approvals. Your next step is simple. Pre-qualify with both, compare the fee terms, and pick the one that leaves you with more usable credit. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more no-fluff credit card comparisons.